How to fix Steam tools not working. Let's start. First, open the toolbar and exit Steam from there. Second, right-click the Steam tool icon, go to the Launch System option, and make sure both toggles are enabled. Third, click on the Steam icon and select Settings. Then go to Downloads, scroll down, and click on Clear Cache. Fourth, click on Interface and select the opposite option. If you've already selected No Beta, choose Steam Beta Update, and vice versa. That's it. If you found this useful, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing.